Hello. Today our group will be explaining chapter 3 in the book. We hope you learn a lot from our video.
The first section of this chapter is called What is Matter? Well, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. For example, a soccer ball. All matter is made up of volume. Volume is the amount of space that an object takes. For example, water in a liquid measuring cup. To get the most accurate results, you must measure at the liquid's meniscus. The meniscus is the curve at a liquid surface. The volume of this water is about half a cup. In addition, matter is also made up of mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. People may sometimes confuse mass with weight, but weight is different. Weight is the amount of gravitational force on an object. That will conclude section 1, and now we'll go to section 2.
The second section is all about physical properties of matter. Physical properties is a characteristic that does not involve a chemical change. Some examples are malleability. For example, aluminum foil. It can change into different shapes. Like right here, this is a boat. You can't see it. It's just a boat, right? Alright, then you can find it out. It could be a monster. And then roll it up and play soccer. Go. Another example of physical properties of matter is solubility. For example, right here, I'm going to put the salt into this liquid measuring cup full of water. See right here? The salt is dissolving. Another example is density. Density is the object's mass over volume. As you see right here, I'm going to put this chapstick into this water. This chapstick floats. Now you see right here, I'm going to put the keys also in the water. The keys do not float. Therefore, the keys are denser than the chapstick. People get confused between physical properties and physical change. Physical change is the change in one or more properties of the substance. An example of physical change is ripping paper. Another example of a physical change is bending cards. Another example of a physical change is melting an ice cube. This concludes section 2.
This section will be talking about chemical properties. A chemical property is a substance ability to participate in chemical reaction.
An example of a chemical property is flammability. Another example of chemical property is reactivity. In this instance, vinegar reacts with baking soda. Just like physical change and physical property, chemical change and chemical property are often confused. Chemical change is the process in which a substance changes into a new substance, usually deliberately. For example, rotten milk.
This
Concludes
chapter